An ex-cop's daughter and her friend drove without a headlight and tail light. They drew the attention of the county sheriff and were subsequently stopped. In the end, the girl was arrested. Was the police officer wrong in arresting the girl? Or is the girl guilty of committing the crime? Or did the girl use her dad's position as a cop to influence the officer? Let's find out.
Hello, Deputy Miller Sheriff's Office. Driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
Oh wait, that's the temporary one. Hold on.
Just so you're aware, contact's being recorded.
That's fine.
The reason I'm stopping you is no headlights.
No headlights? Why?
You have no tail lights on right now, which I assume means you don't have any headlights either. You're driving by driving lights currently.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
On the 12th of February, 2022, the county sheriff of Whiteman County, in a daily routine patrol, got the attention of a Jeep driving with no headlight and taillights. After a pursuit, officers successfully stopped the vehicle containing two young girls. Upon asking for license and registration, the girl complied with the request, but
Well, that's the reason for the stop.
I think
Yeah,
that
for
one's
sure.
that, and then I think this one as well. That's all I have in here either way.
Okay.
My
Yeah.
parents put
This
that all
one,
for me.
this one's expired, so that goes
My bad.
that temporary registration they had. That one and that temporary registration, throw them both away.
Okay.
Because you got actual license plates now,
Yeah, yeah.
and you have an actual insurance card now.
Okay.
So those were your temporary ones when you got the car.
Right.
So you can throw those away. That way you don't get a mix-up later on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
You should have an actual registration. Should be like a green piece of paper. Since you got the actual plates, I assume you have an actual registration now too.
the girl tried to trick the police officer with expired temporary license papers. The officer saw through the deception and asked for the original valid license and commands them to throw this one out right away.
This is her mom's car. She usually drives a Lexus.
Oh,
Okay.
I think it's this one.
Yep,
Yep,
that would be it.
it's that one.
Where are we coming from tonight?
Huh? Munchies.
Okay.
The
Or-
Coug.
Okay.
Bro.
Okay. Anything to drink tonight?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Well, just me, not her.
I'm not talking to you. I'm trying to talk to her, but you
Oh.
keep answering everything.
I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry.
good, yes.
Did the sheriff overstep or use good cop, bad cop? Let's just say it was good cop, bad cop because it worked. The girl gave her original license, but on safe side, she explained after claiming that the car was her mom's Lexus and they were on a music show.
You mind if I check your eyes? While you're
My
sitting?
eyes?
Yeah, while you're
Yeah.
seated in the car? All right. Can you see the tip of that pen?
Tip of the pen, yes.
Keep your head still. Follow with your eyes and your eyes only.
The police officer interrogated them about their drinking habits. Despite the passenger seat girl admitting to drinking, the officer refused to accept her as the spokesperson and directed his questions towards the other who was driving. Office tried to check on the driver concussions and soberness to start the inspection.
Now's your chance to be honest here, okay? How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 shots.
Okay. How long ago? It is
2 hours ago?
currently almost 1 o'clock in the
I'm
morning.
sorry, I'm really tired though also. But
Okay.
I understand what you're asking, yes.
Okay.
Like 2 hours ago is when I took 2 shots.
Okay. Hang tight. I'll be right back.
The county sheriff asked the girl his honest reply to the question about consuming of any liquor. The girl, after some time of being asked the question again and again, told the officer that she had only taken 2 shots.
Did the police officer suspected the girl under the offence of DUI? Or was the girl innocent and wrongfully stopped by the county sheriff just to harass them? Did the girl uses her dad an ex-cop card to influence the officer and tries to take advantage? Stay tuned to see what happens next.
All right. Come on back over here. All right. So you said about 2 hours ago was your last drink?
Yes.
Okay. Let's stand over here so you're not in that smoke, your exhaust. We're going to stand right here and
Yep.
face towards me, okay?
Yep. Can you elaborate more? Sorry, my dad used to be a cop, so I'm just
Okay.
asking all the questions I can.
Again, it's voluntary. You don't.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
What would that tell you?
Well, it's going to tell me where you're at BAC out here, right? So it's the preliminary breath test. It won't be used against you in court, but it's how we build our probable cause.
So, okay. As long as it's not used against me in court.
It's up to you.
The county sheriff offered a sobriety test to the girl, who admitted to consuming alcohol. Despite the girl's mentioning her father's position in the police department, the officer insisted on the sobriety test or face the consequences.
Have you been in any wrecks recently? Any head trauma?
No.
Okay. So, looking at the tip of that pen, follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
When I do the first 9, and then I turn around and do a 9 back, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
Making sure, sorry.
All right, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left, right?
Go ahead and do the 9 back.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6.
All right.
I'm ready.
Go ahead.
1001, 1002, or 2000. Wait, is it 1001, 1002?
Yep.
1003, 1004,
Can you keep your hands at your side?
1005, 1006, 1007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2000.
The girl agreed to a sobriety test after realizing the officer would not give her a favor. The test had 3 steps, including an eye-gazing test, a walk-and-turn test, and a one-leg stand test. The result of the test didn't seem in favor of girl.
So the last portion of this is the preliminary breath test. This is not in lieu of the evidentiary breath test. It's like blowing up a big balloon. Big deep breath in and blow as hard as you can until it clicks.
Is that a breathalyzer though?
This is the preliminary breath test.
What does that mean?
It's the one we use out here. It's for the investigation portion. It's not the BAC.
After these simple tests, the county sheriff asked the girl about the PBT test. The girl knew she was going to be arrested, and she again used her father's exposition to evade this situation by trying to manipulate the officer, and told the officer she was not going to take the PBT.
Personally, I was taught that like I should take something after you take me to the station.
Okay.
Because I'm not like, as I told you before, I have drank tonight. So
Yep. So you're under 21.
exactly.
Right?
That's my
So what is the legal limit for you?
0 tolerance.
It's 0.02.
Oh well.
So right now, I believe you're over that legal limit.
No, that's fine.
Okay,
Yeah,
so you're going to be under arrest. But before I do that, I would like to allow you to put your shoes back on.
that's fine.
Okay, do you want to
Yeah.
do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and put your shoes back on.
The county sheriff arrested a girl for driving under the influence as she admitted to consuming alcohol and was unable to pass the sobriety test. Despite being under the legal age for drinking, her blood alcohol level was at 0.02%.
So the first portion of this is reading you your constitutional rights again now that we're in here, okay? So I know you've heard these already, but I got to read them again.
Yep.
So right now, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right at this time to an attorney. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. If you are under the age of 18, anything you say can be used against you in a juvenile court prosecution for a juvenile offense, and can also be used against you in adult court criminal prosecution if the juvenile court decides that you are to be tried as an adult. You have the right to talk to an attorney before answering any questions. You have the right to have an attorney present during the questioning.
In the police department, the girl waived her constitutional rights and took the breathalyzer test. The ALCO test result showed a BACSI of 0.187%, which is more than double the legal limit of 0.08%.
Yeah, no, the funny thing is that they made sure to be like not musclemen.
Yes,
Yeah, that was.
I did see that. I did see that. Well, Josh White, Josh Musselman, I could see, and the behavior, mannerisms would be concurrent with Musselman.
Yeah, thankfully he's.
As far as I know, he's still on the west side.
Yeah,
Olin and I
so
took him
it's
over.
got- Oh, I thought that they actually had the Colfax go.
No, Olin and I took him over on like the 31st, I think.
So that
We
works
ran
out.
him over, yeah.
Okay, alright, Nelson, so I'll have you just put your stuff here, and then you'll just walk on me over here.
Sorry.
You're all right.
I'm like, I'm a woman.
You'd be amazed at how many people actually fold their clothing up when they walk out of there.
Yeah, and we just fold it for you anyway, so. Okay, Allison, I'm gonna have you stand right there for me. Look straight at the camera for me.
To your left?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. And it logged out so you can relax for just a sec. Alright, look straight at the target for me. Alright, Allison, so here's what I'm going to have to do. As I said, this is very much like an airport scanner. I'll have you step where the silhouettes are. I'll have you have your hands to your side, palms facing back, okay? Yeah, so if you can just do that. And approx.
To your side like this.
Yeah. Oh.
Keep
so-
them so you can see in between.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah, there
So you
we
can
go.
see in between.
Alright, and then, I know it's impolite, but approximately how much do you weigh?
Like 180.
Allow buzz, just stand absolutely still for me, and the buzz will happen in about 4 seconds. Alright, Allison, you can step on out and have a seat in the black chair or what.
This one's much more comfortable.
The girl pleaded guilty to DUI on May 26, 2022. She was sentenced to 1 day in jail or 15 days of electronic home monitoring and had to pay a criminal conviction fee of $43 and a DUI recovery cost of $600. Her driving privileges in Washington were suspended for 90 days. Seems like the county sheriff fulfilled his duties under the law, and the girl is guilty of driving under the influence and attempting to exploit her father's past as a cop. Share your views on whether the girl made the right decision or not. Leave your feedback in the comment box, and we will see you in the next one.